Hello everyone! Today we are here with an exciting topic, the best DJI drones of 2024. Drone technology is evolving every day, and DJI is a pioneer in this field. Today, we're going to take a look at DJI's most impressive drone models. Whether you use them as a hobby or for professional shoots, these drones will take you beyond your imagination. Let's get started. DJI Mini4 Pro. This compact device is easy to carry and small enough to fit in your bag or other equipment. The Mini4 Pro, with its plastic body design in a light gray color, features cooling fans to prevent overheating of the drone's components. The camera located at the front of the drone has 24mm f1, 7 optics providing clear, colorful video capture in all lighting conditions. The integrated 3-axis gimbal ensures that footage remains steady even during drone movements, resembling that of a Steadicam. The camera also has the capability to record in widescreen or vertical formats for platforms like YouTube and TikTok. The Mini4 Pro comes with 2 GB of internal memory, which is quite limited and can only record about 3 minutes of 4K 30 footage. While there is an option to use a memory card, my recommendation is to get at least a 64GB V30 UHS-I microSD card. The USB-C port next to the memory card slot allows for data transfer to a computer and charging of the drone battery. The Mini4 Pro features a built-in GPS as a standard feature. It takes approximately 45 seconds for the Mini4 Pro to lock onto satellites, and once the control device has set the drone's home point, it will inform you. Additionally, you can use the Return Home function, which activates automatically when connection is lost or the battery is low. DJI's FlySafe system, a geofence system, prevents the drone from flying in restricted airspace and alerts you when approaching areas like airports where flights are prohibited. The video quality of the Mini4 Pro is one of the best you can get from a small drone, providing clear details and accurate colors. The gimbal keeps the videos smooth, even during turns and other maneuvers, while the sensor performs rapid scans and prevents distortion. You can zoom digitally up to 3x, but the results may appear soft. However, it's worth trying as it's usable up to 2x. For stills, you can choose between 48MP or 12MP output in either ready-to-share JPG or the more editable, raw DNG format. The Mini4 Pro is a great option for drone enthusiasts due to its compact design, lightweight structure, and high-quality images. However, its disadvantages include not including an AirSense transponder and exceeding the recording weight limit with the extended battery option. DJI Air3. The DJI Air3 is a marvel of engineering, boasting an impressive size while still being portable enough to fit into your camera bag. With dimensions of 3.9 x 3.6 x 8.2 inches and weighing just 1.6 pounds, it strikes the perfect balance between size and portability. Equipped with 2 cameras mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, the Air 3 delivers stunning picture and video quality. The main 24mm f1, 7 lens, and the short telephoto 70mm f2. 8 lens ensure exceptional clarity and detail in every shot. Plus, with a quad Bayer Type 1/1. 3 sensor backing each lens, you can expect consistent quality across all your footage. The gimbal's tilt range is ample too. You can point the camera straight down at a 90-degree angle or tilt it up to 60 degrees. The Air 3 has a rather meager 8 GB of storage on board. Just 15 minutes of high bitrate 4K footage can fill that up, so you need to add a microSD card for longer record times. You should go with a 64 GB card at minimum, but there's nothing to stop you from using a much bigger 512 GB card. One of the standout features of the Air 3 is its impressive battery life, rated for up to 46 minutes of flight time. While real-world usage may vary slightly, it still outperforms many other drones in its class. Additionally, with forward and rear obstacle sensors covering a full 360 degrees, you can fly with confidence knowing that the Air 3 will help you avoid crashes. The obstacle sensors work along with the Active Track feature, which lets the Air 3 act like a follow-me drone. The combination of the Active Track feature, the superlative obstacle avoidance, and the mid-tele camera make it an appealing pick for adventurers who want a follow-me drone. For videographers, the Air 3 offers a range of features to enhance your creative capabilities. From hyperlapse and slow motion to waypoint flight, there's no shortage of options to explore. Plus, with support for vertical video and a new 4K 30 night mode, you'll be able to capture stunning footage day or night. In summary, the DJI Air 3 combines cutting-edge technology with exceptional performance, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts alike. However, it also has some disadvantages, like having a fixed aperture, requiring FAA registration, and limited 8 GB internal storage. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. With its compact design measuring 3.8 by 3.9 by 9.1 inches when folded, the Mavic 3 Pro is easily portable, making it the perfect companion for all your adventures. Equipped with a triple camera array, including a wide-angle 4/3 camera with Hasselblad color and a mid-range 3x lens, the Mavic 3 Pro delivers stunning picture quality and unparalleled versatility. Whether you're capturing sweeping landscapes or detailed close-ups, this drone has you covered. One of the standout features of the Mavic 3 Pro is its advanced obstacle avoidance system, with sensors surrounding the drone to detect and avoid obstacles in all directions. Combined with DJI's Advanced Pilot Assist System, APS 5.0, you can fly with confidence knowing that the drone will navigate safely around obstacles while you focus on capturing the perfect shot. It uses Active Track 5.0 to follow people or vehicles at up to 4K 60. Built-in GPS keeps the drone steady in the air and supports an automatic return-to-home function. The Mavic 3 Pro's camera module has 3 separate lenses, as mentioned. The main camera uses a 20MP 4/3 sensor with Hasselblad color and has a 24mm f2.8 equivalent angle of view. It supports aperture control down to f11, and you can add ND filters if you plan on using the drone for long exposure photography or 24 fps video in bright light. This lens supports JPG and DNG stills. As for video, options include 5, 1K 50, 4K at up to 120 fps in DCI or UHD aspects, and up to 1080p 200. The new mid-range 3x 70mm camera's picture quality is right in line with drones like the discontinued Mavic 2 and the current generation Mini 3 Pro. The Quad-Bayer 48MP Type 1.1. 3 sensor outputs detailed 12MP photos in JPG or DNG, as well as 4K 60 video in your choice of DJI's standard color profile, HDR HLG, D-Log, or D-Log-M. It delivers smartphone quality pictures in 4K 60 video with its 12MP Type 1.2 sensor, but is limited to DJI's standard color profile. The real feature is its telephoto aspect. Even at 166mm, the Mavic 3 records silky smooth footage. All 3 cameras use H.264 or H.265 8-bit 4.2.0 for the standard color profiles, and the Hasselblad and 3x lenses also support 10-bit 4.2.0 for HLG and D-Log. With up to 43 minutes of flight time on a single charge, the Mavic 3 Pro offers ample time to explore and create breathtaking footage. Plus, with support for up to 5, 1K 30 or 4K 120 video, you can capture every moment in stunning detail. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or an amateur enthusiast, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro offers unmatched performance and versatility, making it the ultimate choice for aerial photography and videography.